Hey, welcome back to the series of accountancy, chapter 4, retirement of partner. Again, this is the third type of a problem. In every video, we are solving a different kind of problem. Okay, let's start this problem. I'll tell you how different it is when you compare to previous problem. First, we'll read out a problem, then you'll come to know. Okay, we'll start from heading when OPSR and NPS are given. What do you mean by OPSR? So the OPSR is something. PSR we already know because here also it's PSR. It's profit sharing ratio. N means new profit sharing ratio. Then what is O? Old profit sharing ratio. That's it. So when old profit sharing ratio and new profit sharing ratio is given, how you need to solve the problem? So simple. If I ask you now, if they are already given new profit sharing ratio, is there any need to solve this problem because they already given answer? We need to find out the new profit sharing ratio. They already given new profit sharing ratio in the question only. So then what should we find out in this question? I'll tell you what to find out. So the first is, we'll read out the question or analyze the question first. Amit, Dinesh and Gagan are the partner sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. Dinesh retires. Who is Dinesh here? This person is Dinesh. So he got retired from the partnership business, and Gagan, okay, Amit and Gagan decided to share the profit of a new firm in the ratio of 3:2. Based on this ratio, they're sharing from now on. So this is the new profit sharing ratio, and this is the old profit sharing ratio. So we got two things, and what they're asking to find out, calculate the gaining ratio. In the previous problem and all, they used to give a gain ratio and old ratio. We need to find out the new profit sharing ratio, but in this problem they're saying, I'll tell you with an example how they're asking. So previously they used to ask like this: if you have a 5 plus 3, what is the answer? This is how they are asking. But in this problem they're asking 5 plus dash, this is a question mark, is equal to 8. This is how they're asking in this type of question. This is last problem and this is the current problem which is solving now. If I ask you answer, what is the answer, you may directly say it's 8. But here, if you want to make 8, what number you're going to add? How to find out this? You just need to find out by 8 will be transferred here or this 5 will be transferred here. The question mark will be here. So if I write in a formula, it will become 8. The question mark will be here. Okay. The is equal to also will be there. The 5 will become, or the 5 will come this side. So that will become like this, 8 minus 5. The question mark is equal to, in this way, we are solving the problem. I hope I don't want to confuse with the mathematics. So this is how you need to solve this problem. I'll delete it. Okay. We need to calculate gain ratio of Amit and Gagan. First, we need to know the formula. The formula is quite a bit of changes in the formula. If you look at this formula, this is the formula. I'll change the color. I'll write in green. So the formula is this: gain share is equal to new share minus old share. Uh, by now you already familiar with the example which is gave. Just rearranging the formula, that's it. So we'll write what is given in the question, that is the old ratio. Write down the old ratio first. I'll change the color to blue. Old ratio of Amit, Dinesh and Gagan are 5:3:2. That can be written as 5 by 10 and 3 by 10, 2 by 10. That's it. Okay, next, Dinesh retired from the partners. Next is they are forming the new share, that is 3:2. So the new ratio of Amit and Gagan is 3:2. That can be written as 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. By now we just written everything which is given in the question, and it's time to solve the problem based on the formula. Okay, first we need to calculate for the Amit, then we need to calculate for Gagan. First we'll solve for the Amit. We'll take him. Amit, share gained by Amit. In order to calculate this, what we need new share. Okay, new share is given here, that is 3 by 5. That will be written here, 3 by 5. Next, minus, as for the formula, right? Minus, so minus will be written here. Next, the old share which is given here directly. So Amit is this 5 by 10. We'll write 5 by 10. That's it. I tell you the calculation part after Gagan's. So we'll enter Gagan, then we'll solve it, which is mathematical part, right? Next, share gained by Gagan. First of all, what's the formula? New share minus old share. What's a new share of Gagan? The new share of Gagan is, I'll write in another color. So this is the new share of Gagan, 2 by 5. We'll write 2 by 5. Next, minus, as for the formula, old share. Which is old share? This is the old share, 2 by 10. So write that 2 by 10. That's it. We just completed the arrangement part. We are left with the just calculation part. I'll tell you the calculation part. So the calculation part is quite not easy when compared to last problem, because we used to get the same denominator. Here we got different denominator, like 5 and 10. So I'll tell you how to solve this. So I'll write, I'll put a line here to to work out. Okay, first of all, we'll solve from here. We have two fractions, that is 3 by 5, 5 by 10, which is different denominator. So what we have to do, first we need to find LCM. So we'll write LCM and we'll write from here. The LCM for 5 and 10 is okay, 10 and 5, 5 and 10 both the same. So in order to find LCM, we need to divide from the least number. Which is the least number which divide those two numbers, or these two numbers, like 5, right? Because 2 won't divide 5 and 3 won't divide 5, 4 won't divide, and even except 1, 5 is the least number, right? So we'll write 5 and then we'll solve it by calculating LCM. So 5 twos are and 5 ones are. So okay, further it won't divide from a single number, so we'll multiply it. 5 into 2 into 1, so that's it. 5 into 2 into 1, that will become 10 is an LCM. So the LCM is 10. We need to put here the LCM as a 10. Next, we need to eliminate the fraction denominator which is exist here. So we'll take the first fraction, that is 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 into the LCM, which is just found out. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are, and 2 into 3 will become 6. So that 6 will be written here. Okay, I'll change the color, 6. Next, put a minus sign because which is already exist here, minus. Next, 5 by 10 is there. So 5 by 10, take other fraction, 5 by 10 into, again multiply with the LCM. 10 ones are 10 ones are. So the remaining is 5, write the 5. That's it. 6 minus 5 will become 1. 10 will carry it over here. Okay, this is the first answer. Next, the second part, which is done for Gagan. First we'll delete here some of the parts. Okay, I have to delete from here. We'll delete this. We need this LCM because the number is same again, 5 and 10. So if you calculate, it will come again 10. We'll start from here. The first fraction, 2 by 5 into the LCM, that is 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 into 2, 4, right here. Next, for the second one, 2 by 10 into, again the LCM, 10. 10, 10 get cancelled, 10 ones are 10 ones are. So the remaining is 2. 2 into 1, 2, that's it. So 4 minus 2 divided by 10 is equal to 2 divided by 10. That's it. Okay, I'll change the color. So this is the answer. We just move to last step. The last one step is there, that is to represent your answer in a correct form. So in order to represent, you need to write some of the words. The words are, which is written here as well in the question. Calculate the gain ratio. So you need to write gain ratio of Amit and Gagan. Gain ratio of Amit and Gagan is equal to, write this 1 by 10 here and 2 by 10 here. That can be written as, that's it. So I hope I explained in very depth way how to calculate the LCM and all. That's how you need to calculate this kind of problem. If you like this video, you can help us by sharing this video. And if you want to do a further favor, just comment what do you think about this video, and just like this video. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.